Aidan Rintala, Townsville, University of Queensland, Queensland Blades. Nobody's perfect.
You ready, buddy?
Yeah, mate. Ready to go.
Ready? No, mate, it's got to go around. What are you doing?
Oh, didn't explain properly.
Explain properly. Dude, Cody would have been having his shot by now.
Oh, a bit of a crosswind, you know. Moved the ball around here, so I didn't get over that last one. But
we've reviewed the tape, and we've decided that Aidan did miss a cone, and he did not do a proper 360. So that's a 5-second penalty.
always 4 more challenges, that's all good.
Well, despite the couple of little fumbles, 22 seconds.
Oh yeah, see? Imagine when I get it right.
Oh yeah, we're good to go.
Oh! One! Oh.
Serious?
The bounce, mate, the bounce got you. Oh, yeah, we'll give that one. How'd we go? Oh, 3 from 3 so far. Oh!
Oh, the new stick, eh? Just getting used to it. The Tour Pro, bit of a bow.
First Gryphon.
Got it hooked in, but you know, get used to it.
First bat, eh?
Yeah, it is, eh? Gryphon, lovely sponsors, you know.
That's nice.
Yeah.
I felt like giving him extra for nearly getting the peanut gallery.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, I can't. 3 outers, 3 points.
All right.
After that flicking contest, you got a high hold pole.
Yeah, I want to try and back it up here. I'm gonna go for just hell for leather, you know.
Don't drop it! Don't drop it! Oh no! Back you go! Let's make it across one time this time.
Yeah, I just thought I'd give it me all. Didn't quite work out. Oh well.
A couple of metres off.
Yeah, it's just about there, but oh well.
Yeah, that was a shame. That was a shame because it would have been about 8 seconds, but unfortunately, had to go back 44 seconds.
Poor performance on the running, mate. You're gonna try and step it up this time?
I don't think it was too bad. I think Paul was a little harsh, but you know.
I think
We'll
I
go.
think 44 seconds is pretty poor, mate.
Go.
Oh, a bit hard. Okay.
That whey protein.
Oh, too soft. Oh, it gets soft.
You're getting closer, mate.
Oh,
Missed it by that much. Possible 5 here, mate. Let's go. Make it count, champ.
bagger.
Unfortunately, you were millimetres out every time, so
Yeah.
no score.
No score, all right. Mate.
Took poor performance from the running into the passing. We've had a few texts come in, mate. Are you taking this seriously?
Yeah, I'm definitely taking it seriously. You know, they're a little bit harder than they look, so you really got to concentrate, knuckle down, and get the skill right.
Oh, mate. It's only 3, buddy. Yeah, nice. Change the points. Oh, mate. What's that bat you're using, mate?
This is the new Gryphon Taboo Pro. Yeah, I don't mind it, so probably keep using that.
Yeah, nice, mate. Nice.
Well, I did all right. 2 scoring shots out of 5, and they were big scores, so 8 points, but it took me 50 seconds.
Okay, yeah, that's all right. Hopefully the points will